This picture looks a little grainy, but don't scroll just yet, because what you're seeing here is a picture of a total solar eclipse taken on board Artemis II. That's right, this is one of the rarest views available to people anywhere. Solar eclipses on the ground, total ones, are rare enough, but to see one from space, this is something only a very small number of people have ever seen. So what's going on? Well, here on the ground, we get total solar eclipses when the moon passes in front of the sun. The sun's atmosphere is way fainter than the sun itself. We can't normally see it with the human eye, but when the moon fully blocks the sun, you can actually see its faint solar corona. It looks something a bit like this. We see this here on the ground because the moon is a similar size, or appears a similar size in the sky, so you can see the full eclipse around the moon. But for the astronauts on the Artemis II mission, the moon is a lot bigger. They're about 60 times closer to the moon than we are, so the moon appears about 60 times bigger, and so the moon is 60 times bigger than the sun. So they don't see a total solar eclipse where the full atmosphere of the sun encircles the moon. Instead, what they get is as the sun passes behind the moon, they can see one edge of the sun's atmosphere. So this here is the solar corona. This is the image from the sort of the live stream camera outside of the spacecraft. I expect we'll see high resolution photos coming from the astronauts on board. I look forward to see that. But in essence, they saw this for just a few minutes. They said they could see the sort of light from the sun lasting about 10 whiffs of the sun, so way out into space, and they lost the view. And then about 50 minutes later, they saw it on the other side of the moon. So they were behind the moon for over 50 minutes, but they only saw the atmosphere of the sun for a few of those minutes, either side of that eclipse pass. I'm an astrophysicist. I research the corona of the sun, the atmosphere of the sun, for a career. So very exciting to see this. I look forward to seeing what other images come out of the eclipse from Artemis II.